Okay, we're going to do a quick how to add some RAM to this MacPro machine. This is for Brad at Tech Webcast on request. So first I'm going to shut down the MacPro workstation and then we're going to get to it. I'm unlatching the side and I'm taking this panel off, this heavy aluminum panel. I'll set it to the side. And again, on the Hangout, those of you that are in the Hangout, you're not seeing a whole lot of this, but I am filming it with the NEX in full 1080p. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the piece out. Okay, so I took this whole rig out. Let me show it to the people, to the NEX camera first. And then let that focus in. All right, so this is the piece that I removed. This whole piece I removed from the MacPro. Now the RAM's back here in the back. Grab that and show the people on the live broadcast first. That's the RAM that I bought from OWC. That's one 8 gig SIM. And by the way, all the carpeting I have in this place is all anti-static carpeting, and I have an anti-static mat that I stand on. Here is, let me let this camera focus in. I'm showing it now to the NEX camera. There's the RAM. And now what I'm going to do is hopefully I'm just going to pop this RAM in. I'm going to pull these two pins back. And sorry, but I'm in the way of you guys. Let me go around the other side and see if I can do it from over here. All right, so this is just going to hopefully pop right in here if I get it all lined up right. And when you push it down, it should snap. There it goes, right into place. And these pieces that I pushed out on either side automatically snap into a little notch. And that tells us it's completely seated, okay? And there's one other thing I'm going to show you while I've got the MacPro swiveled out here and I can get to the back side of it, is I'm just going to pull out this hard drive that I installed yesterday. Just slides out on the tray here, and there's 4 of these trays that slide in, and that's what it looks like. Showing the folks, go around here, show the folks what, let that focus in. There, that's what,
so Craig, it's